What up, though? What up, though? This your boy Chedda, man, from Loud Crowd Exotics, Chedda, man, Films. What's the deal? Today is Father's Day, and unfortunately, Big Dookie is still not ready. If y'all don't know, I cracked my rim. The rim is actually already ready. It just got painted yesterday, but it wouldn't be dry in time for me to actually be in the car show. So with that being said, Big Dookie won't be in the car show today. But other than that, I got my little man with me. Say what's up.
What's up?
You got your glasses on? Yeah, he chilling. So today is Father and Son Day. You know what I'm saying? We about to go to the car show and have us a good time. We're gonna bring y'all some good content. So I'll tap back in with y'all soon. Like I said, y'all see that merch? LoudCrowdExotics.com. Go ahead and tap that motherfucking link. You did. Yeah, we up here at the car show. You know, I ain't got to say too much. It's about to be a lot of copyright going on, so we're just gonna be looking at these cars and getting this footage. So tap in. I see him, I see him. You see him?
Wristband line over there, bro. Here she go right here.
Hey, how much did you get in, bro?
$20, buddy.
Alright.
But the line is like more or less over there because we're trying to direct track the people coming
right
out.
here with
the people right here, yeah.
Fuck. the cars out since we couldn't be in here, you know. I'm parked across the street.
Oh, okay. I seen you too. I'm like, I think that's Chedda.
I'm putting mine on tomorrow, though.
Oh, that's what's up. You said it's supposed to be another big one coming.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be a whole bunch of them.
Oh, yeah.
Until about September, October.
Oh, that's what's
He look, he's pulling me somewhere. Where you trying to go? Oh, we gotta get you on it. Hold on, son. Hold on. Let me get this footage. That's how Daddy get his money now. Hey, chill out, man. You gotta wait. Cold. Hellcat on them seats. Good. We gotta look at all the cars. All right. Hey,
how you doing? Happy Father's Day to you.
Me, dang, I'm tripping. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've been saying same to you all day today. Yeah, this one of them. One of my 5. We're not going in the bunch house, man. You trying to go to the bunch? What's up, man? How you doing? You all right? Son, we not going in there. Let me finish doing this first. Watch out. Then we're gonna come back. What up, what's block? This little nigga keep on motherfucking. What's up, what? He pulling me. Hold on, RJ. Hey. You can't keep pulling me, man. Hold on, he taking a picture. Going all day. Look at this one behind you.
I want that purple. I want that purple.
You do? Alright. Look, it's changing colors, look. Hey, it's definitely going down, y'all. We at the Father's Day car show with my son. He pulling me everywhere. We're trying to get this footage for y'all. So it ain't gonna be too much talking. Like I said, too much copyright, so tap in. Want that one too?
You the burgundy son?
I want to hold it for you, Dad.
Move. You gotta do your hair. Scared of what? chill out, okay? All right? Yeah, the screens on the side. What's up with you, bro?
Cardi be out here. I'm out here with my dog Chedda. We're waiting on his truck to get done, man. Y'all gonna see it on my page, cause y'all don't know what it is. The boy Spooky, nigga, dog.
You already know. Yeah, man, they asked about Big Dookie, y'all. It's cool. Patience. You gotta have patience. Feel me? back in with y'all though. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Big Dookie be back ready tomorrow. To all the fathers, happy Father's Day. And all that. Get that merch too, loudcrowdexotics.com. Yeah, I know I said the video was over, but I'm back at the crib now. I'm about to handle some business, but I just wanted to say this before I let y'all go. At the car show, man, I got so much love, dog. I didn't even know it was that many people following me and actually watching my YouTube page, man. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people was asking me, hey, where Big Dookie at? Where Big Dookie at? What's up, Chedda, man? You know what I'm saying? I needed that love, man. Because as y'all can see, I haven't been posting a lot. Been going through some other stuff. But I'm about to get back on it, man, because that made me feel very good, man. They let me know that people was really watching my content. Not just the car shows, you know, people are actually watching my sewing videos, my embroidery and stuff like that. So I appreciate that, man. And a lot of people watching my reaction videos too, though. But I just wanted to say to those people I seen today, man, y'all made me feel good, man. Put that motivation back in my heart so I can continue to drop this footage, you know what I'm saying? Big Dookie, I'm throwing the rims back on probably tomorrow. And I'm back out here. So you'll see me at all the other car shows with Big Dookie. You feel what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all. Like I said, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Make sure y'all like the video, man. Please. That puts me up there so people can see the rest of my content. You know what I'm saying? So I need y'all to smash that like button. If you watch this video, stop right now and smash that like button. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment too. You know what I'm saying?